In this lecture we will discuss how the offset command is work and how scale command is work, and where we can use these commands as per need. First, draw an object. Here the position of an object at 2, 2 at 0. X-axis length is 2, y-axis 2 and z-axis 2. We have created a square. So first we are looking at their basic concept. Right click, edit, and there is an arrange command. First select an object. In arrange command there is command called offset. Here we have an object whose length and width equal to 2. When we will select distance 1 of offset, it means whatever length we have previously already, which is 2, it will be added in how many times? 1 time. If we select offset 2, it means whatever length we have, that will add in that much time, 2 times further add. And if offset is 3, this is our length, and 3 times further it will be add in it, become 8. And the starting position, the position of axis will be minus with that much offset value. Let's see on our software. First we selected offset value 1. Click on OK. Here you can see that. Just rotate this box and draw in another box. Within the same dimension of new box. Now look at the dimension of this box. Here you can see that first we have 2, 2 and 0. You can see that the new values are 1, 1 subtracted, minus 1. Here it was a 0. We have a z-axis was 0. Here become minus 1. But x and y-axis was 2, 2 and now become 1, 1. They are subtracted, and that much value which we have offset was 1. Now x and y z-axis by adding 1 more time become 4. Now you can see that 4, 4, 4. Just click on OK. I'm going to delete it and undo. Again I am using the same command with different offset value. In this time I am selecting 2. Just click on OK. Now look at these values. Because this time we selected offset -2, so x and y axis become 0 and z axis become -2. But x, y, z axis becomes 1. 3 times adding by 2 becomes 6. Similarly, if I am going to select offset value 3, click on OK. Same object. In this time I have selected offset 3. Further 3 times it added with our original length become 8. 8 value becomes all 3 axes. And we have offset value is 3. Here we was x and y axis was 2, 2. Become -1, -1, and this was 0, z axis. It become -3. So in this way the offset command is work. Now let us see how scale command works and how we can differentiate these two commands. Scale command basically does whatever scale number we will choose, that will be multiply with all axis values and also with starting position. That will be a multiplying factor. Right click and there is a scale command. Click on this. Whatever factor we will select here, that will be multiply with our original axis, x value with x value and y value with y value and z value with z value. Similarly with position. For simple example, we are choosing the 2 to 2. Press on OK. Now by drawing another object on new object, we can check their dimension. Here you can see that 2 is multiplied with all original dimension. What was original dimension? This was original dimension. Select an object. If I am going to select 3, 3 and 3. Now you can see that 3 is multiplied with 2, 2, 2. It becomes 6, 6 and 6. Now if I am going to scale it in a different ways, x is 2 and y is 3 and z is 4. X was chosen 2 multiplied with 2, 4, and y was chosen 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied with 2, become 6, and there was zy axis were already 0 and it remains zeros. And similarly x axis multiply 2 multiplied 2 4, 3 multiplied by 2 6, and 4 multiplied by 2 become 8. This is the basic concept of scale command. Now you can easily differentiate between offset and scale command, and you can use it differently and wisely.